Hi, everyone. It's Jean from Gallagher Domanski. Today, I wanted to talk to you about the new way that USCIS is reporting their processing times for certain petitions, including the EB2 NIW. I have a PowerPoint for you, and I'm going to share my screen. Okay, so I do have another video on how to check case processing times. And this is a screenshot from that page on the USCIS website. So for the EB2 NIW, you send an I-140. So here there's where you can scroll down to choose your form, and then you choose your field office or service center. It's either going to be Texas or Nebraska. From where I am, it's the Nebraska Service Center where all my cases get adjudicated as an attorney. So, but it depends on where you live. And as you can see at the bottom here in red, says starting November 1st, 2021, processing times will be based on 6 months of data instead of 1 month. You can read more about processing times on our case processing times page, which is where this screenshot is from. So they're looking at the past 6 months and how long it's been taking instead of just the previous month, as they're starting to clear out the backlog. Now here, this is from my blog. So if you go to gallagherdomanski.com/immigration news, you can read all of my different blog posts. So I did write one on processing times, and I had a paragraph on the old way that they used to calculate the I-140 processing times, and that's called cycle time. So it's the number of previous months of receipts it takes to equal the current month's pending receipt volume. So they use the cycle time method, and then they get the average case processing times for certain forms. And one of those forms is not the I-140. So from 2019 or from 2009 to 2017, they did use the cycle time method for I-140, but now you see here that they do it for I-129, I-539, I-130, 131, I-360, and I-601. So really the only one applicable to the EB2 NIW is after you get approved for the EB2 NIW, then when you apply for adjustment of status here in the United States, then you would file the I-131 to get your travel document. So that's really the only one that would be a subject to the cycle time method. Okay, so for the EB2 NIW, they use this new way. It's called the processing time method, and they started that in 2018. And so they're still using the processing time method, but as they let you know on their processing times page, as of November 1st of this year, they're basing processing time on the past 6 months instead of just the previous month. So really, this is the only one that you need to worry about for the EB2 NIW is processing time. Even though once you get approved, if you apply for, like I said, the travel document, it would be subject to cycle time methodology, but that's really only they're estimating 3 to 5 months on travel documents. So that's not really one you need to worry about. The ones that take a long time are the I-140, I-45, and unfortunately the I-765, which is your work authorization document, which seems to be taking longer and longer these days. So my suggestion is to keep checking the processing times if you're waiting, and see if they get updated, since they're going back 6 months, and basing it on that. And then as they clear up the backlog, hopefully each month the processing times will get shorter.